Today we are going to learn about how to create certificates using mail merge option in MS Word. So first you have to open your certificate whichever you want to make. So suppose you have this template, open your template of the certificate and whatever the necessary changes if you want to make, you can make. Suppose if you want to change the subject over here of the competition, so you can change this heading, and then if you want to change the date or something like that, so you can make the necessary changes and save it. After saving, just you minimize your certificate and then open your file where you have stored or where you have typed your student's name. So according to this certificate, you need 3 fields to fill in your certificate. Here the name of the student, here class and section, and here the what position the child has scored. Now, so according to this is your original result, and this result is too big, but what fields we need? We need only name, class, section and the position. So I have copied all this on the new fresh sheet here. And what you have to remember, do not leave any blank space in between these rows. Okay. And this is the field name of the student, class and position. Now, if your list is ready, then you can just save it. An important point, you should close it. Okay. After closing, again you open your template, your everything is ready. Now you go to mailing option of this tab. Just open this tab and then choose the start mail merge option, and in that you have to select the recipient. So in the select recipient, you will get these 3 points, these 3 options. So you have to use this one because already we have an existing list. So I'll click on it, then it will ask me which list you want to use. So it's my list is present, list is on desktop. So I'll just click on it and say open. So as soon as I choose, then it will show me all the sub sheets of my Excel sheet. So my final result is on sheet 4. So I'll select this and say okay. Now after this, what you have to do, just go on the insert merge field and then choose these fields. So before this, just click your box where you want to insert these fields. So you just say name of the students because I want to print the name of the student at this place. Now here class, I'll just write class over here because the field name is class, and in this box I will say position. Okay, so now I'll correct it, whatever is there, just with the format pattern I correct it. Okay, so now here you can see this has come, it is final. Now let us see whether whatever we have merged, it is coming in the same pattern or not. So let us click on mailing and just say preview result. So you can see my all the fields are merged properly. So what I do, the final step, I'll go to finish and merge and say edit individual documents. So here again these three options will come. You want all, current record, or from this number to this number. Suppose you have a 40 students but you want to print only 15 to 21 certificate, roll number 21. So you can just fill a number here, but I need all. So here I'll choose this all and say okay. So as soon as you get this, you can find that all these certificates are ready. So now this is a Word file, this is a doc file. Now what we have to do, we have to convert into the PDF. So I'll go to export and then I will click on the create PDF, and now I'll give here name Hindi, some appropriate name you give, Hindi LO. This is the name which I have given, and I'll try to save it on the desktop. Now I say publish. So now you can see the processing is going on. So all my certificates are ready. All 14 certificates I had to make, so all are ready. So this way you can get the final PDF. But what is the problem here? Now I'll close. I do not want to save this Word file, so I say don't save. Okay, I'll close this also. I'll just say don't save. Okay, so these are the PDFs are ready, but they all 14 together. So we want to separate it. So how do we do it? Just go to your browser and use the I love PDF. Just open this site I love PDF and click on it and then say split PDF. Then it will ask you to select PDF file. So on the desktop only I have this Hindi allocation, so I say open. I'll just select it and say open. Okay, so here all 14 these are coming together. So here what option I have to choose? Extract pages. So after extracting the pages, all these are not splitted. So what I have to do is I'll say split PDF. So now I'll say download split PDF. So I will say download the split PDF and then see file has been downloaded. Now it has you can see it is a zipped file. So now what I do, I have to unzip it. Now I'll close this and go to my downloads because it's coming in the downloads only. It has come there. Okay, so now I'll cut this from here and then I do paste it here. Okay, now I want to make a new folder. So because I want to extract my all the certificates in the same folder. So here on the new folder, I'll open it and then I'll choose this I love extracted pages and then I say extract files. Okay, so it will ask me the location where you want to extract the files. So I do say desktop. On the desktop, I have a new folder. Here I want to extract. So desktop, new folder and say OK. So just wait and you see all of your 14 certificates are ready. So this way you can check it out. All the certificates are ready and they are separated also. So now you can use them. Thank you.